Apologies to M8 owners, but this just looks like an ordinary 8 Series. Nothing wrong with that, but we can make it so much better. We're going to get some AC Schnitzer parts on this car right now.
Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late. Seen him down bad, now they tryna hate. Same ones try to hit me for the raise. Got a mill, now they coming with a blaze. Check the numbers fam, I swear I'm getting paid. I'm a Don just like the Perrier. It's one time when I'm looking at a face. On the low like I'm pushing up the bass. Told him come down and I'll meet him at a gate. Got a check and I bought myself a place. They get some money and they blow it on babe. I don't flex but I'm pushing all the weight. Told them all I swear I got it's what it takes. Phone started jumping, what a day. Swear to God I need it, now I can't afford to wait. I just had a fan hit me up from Kuwait. Told him this would happen and we not a minute late.
So the AC Schnitzer parts are on this M8 and it just looks insane. So starting off at the front end, this is a twin element if you like. So you've got the main lower plastic piece here, which is good in a way that if you do give it smack, it's not going to crack like carbon fibre, which is obviously going to be a bit of a pain. You've then got 3 areas which are gloss black. So you can see the middle piece, we call it a puck. It's probably not called a puck, but that's what we call it. And then you've got these side elements as well, both left and right, which are painted all gloss black. That's something that we have to paint gloss black ready for the installation, but that's gone on really nicely. This is the most over-engineered front splitter we've ever come across. You wouldn't expect a front splitter to take as long as it did, but at least it's on and it's not going anywhere. Working our way down, we've got these amazing carbon side skirts. These are almost a little bit like a winglet, like you might have seen on the previous generation M2, something similar to that. Adds a bit more aggression, a bit more stance. More than anything, just looks superb, and just a splash of carbon fibre, which blends in nicely towards some of the other stuff on this car from another manufacturer, where it's got an Akrapovic diffuser, which is carbon fibre. And finishing up the back here, it's a little bit dusty because there's a black car, it shows everything. We've got these nice horns for a rear boot spoiler. So this normally had just a small little lip spoiler. This now has these great big chunky haunches on the back. To me, it looks like a Batmobile. It looks fantastic. And being obviously an AC Schnitzer South Coast dealer, or one of the dealers that we have here on the South Coast for AC Schnitzer, we can fit these to your car, whether it's an M8 or an M3 or even an i3, which we have here as well. So anything AC Schnitzer, we got you covered. But I hope you've enjoyed that video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you can, and we'll see you next time.
Seen them down bad, now they tryna hate. Same ones try to hit me for the raise. Got a mill, now they coming with